Richard Allison is the CEO of Domino's. Come on, who does not love pizza? And including the franchisees, Richard is responsible for over 400,000 people. That is a massive, massive organization. And he's one of the 140 CEOs I interviewed for my new book, The FutureLeader, which is coming out January 29th, 2020. So just around the corner here. And one of the things I asked Richard, along with a bunch of other CEOs, is about their leadership hacks. And I couldn't fit this stuff in the book because I ran out of space. I already went 10,000 words over my word count, and publisher said it's not happening. So I created this URL. I'm going to leave that up there for a second, where you can get a PDF to download that has 11 leadership hacks from the CEOs of Domino's, Kaiser, MasterCard, Best Buy, Yum Brands, Yahoo, Carnival Cruises, and a couple others. And again, this is the URL to go to. You can also click on the URL that's floating around with this video, depending on the social channel that you're using. And you can get that PDF and get direct quotes from all of these CEOs. But I'll just give you just super quick Richard's leadership hack. Never be the first one to start talking. So the way that he runs meetings, the way that he does, interactions with people, always listens first, talks second. Simple leadership hack, something that anybody can do, makes you a great leader. If you want his leadership hack along with the 10 others, you know the URL to go to. And next time you're having a discussion with somebody or you're stepping into a meeting, try to ask yourself, can you listen first and talk later?